So today we were introducing our myPalletizer, a 4-axis robotic arm, which usually the task we describe as palletizing. So the 4-axis 4 degree of freedom means here's the first axis, we're moving the bottom. Yep, microbot can do with us together. And the second axis giving us moving from the y-axis. And we have the third axis in top. And finally, the fourth axis, this part does not move.
That's a different.
Yeah.
But still moving is only for the microbot.
Only for the microbot. Yeah. And for the palletizer, the fourth axis able to provide a torque.
Yes.
Able to spin for 360 degrees.
This is the idea. That's the idea.
Very good. So we can probably show some of our features.
Yes.
Right. You can put our power. So you can see this robotic arm was so light. That's only 900 grams.
900 grams.
900 grams. Yeah. And you can see that there's no extra equipment needed.
Yes.
With just
a push play
powering. Okay. To control a robot arm, you have to use coding.
Yes.
Use coding. But right now, at Robotics, we have a program that you can simply drag the robotic arm and teach the robot the movement you want it to make. Okay?
Yes.
So first of all, now you can see why it's so good to have a screen, because we can simply push the button with the screen. We can choose the main control program on our screen. So it's probably a little small. Our camera cannot see that, but you can look it up later. In here, we can press record.
It's called 录音，录制，
and record the RAM. After you record the RAM, all you have to do is simply drag the robot and do the movement you want it to make, and then we stop. That's how easy it is. After all, we click play. Play from the RAM, and now the robot will repeat the movement I teach this robot to. And this, for the first time, provide a solution for not even entry level, for zero background user, that everyone able to use our myPalletizer. So we in myCobot we actually see tons of examples from our excellent Japanese and other countries user. They were using this screen to do so many tasks, right?
Yes.
And that provide a lot of opportunity in order to allow it to happen. Right?
Yes, it is the 2 robot, most of it is myPalletizer with the M5 stack inside. That means all-in-one. Very simple, just a plug and 2 pressing robot.
Right. Because for some of our friends, maybe they were the first time saw a robot like this, so they pretend all robots is in this design. They're actually not, right? So in industrial robot, we can see that usually they have big control box.
Yes, big control box outside.
But for our my series now, we're taking all control box away.
Yes.
And
Just one power plug with screen.
Yep.
Screen very important.
And all of those was from our very important partner in 5-step.
Yes.
Right?
Our customer is not only the customer, also partners and sometimes developers.
Yeah.
They give the idea to us and making the product together and making the ecosystem together.
Yeah. And in the past years, the reason why we were so grateful about users, we saw so many cases. It's like sometimes we have some unfulfilled development. Our users fix that. We often have some bugs on their softwares. Our users also figure it out, report it to us, and sometimes fix the bugs for us. And in this big open source community, it's like we were consistently receiving feedbacks and receiving advice, and that's something very important powers that keep pushing us forward. We're receiving so many different cases that we never thought about before. Just like you said, because robotic arm itself doesn't do anything. It's just a tool. It's like you're having a hand, right? Hand itself does not create any value until you put it into a solution, until you put it into a application. And then that turns into a productive tool. And I think that's also we are very grateful. Like we provide a tool for our great users, and they were able to turn it into something really valuable. And that's something we cannot do.
Yes, yes.